Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've done a video. I think today me and Yukon are going to go over here and check out the falls. Should have some little frozen waterfall action. It's only about a 3-mile trail or so, but focus. Only about 3 miles or so, I think. I've never actually done this trail, but Yukon, you gonna get wrapped up right off the bat? Gotta go pee on stuff? Alright, let's go. Yukon's excited. We haven't done a hike in a while on anything new or anything exciting, just been walking around the neighborhood and checking out the Turnagain Arm, which is pretty much where we live. I don't know, we'll see what we see today. So we're coming up here to the sign. You guys might recall if you've seen the Penguin Ridge video, which goes off this way. We also did the Penguin Creek Trail down there to the right. So we've done those two trails. We're going to follow it. It'll go somewhere around here. And then try to find the falls. Not exactly sure where the trail takes off from, but I'll be using the All Trails app to try to kind of guide me there. We'll see what happens. It's going to start snowing here soon. The views are going to be obstructed of the mountain, so that's why we kind of decided just to do a short little waterfall hike if it works out. We'll see. Said that like 3 times now. Alright, let's go. It's been rather warm lately, so instead of snow we've been seeing some rain and some sloppy seasonal weather for February, but today's not too bad. I remember this bridge. I don't quite remember the turnoff that we're gonna take, but it shouldn't be too terribly far. Didn't even see that. Alright. What do you think, Yukon? Where are we at? Get out of the way. Hey! You're in the way. What are you doing? That pink line kind of juts off to the right. Let's see if I can zoom before Yukon does anything. Right there. That's where we're going, the pink line. A little bit further. Whoop! There goes Yukon pulling. Alright, let's go. Take a little turn off to the left. Now we start going uphill a little bit. And back towards the falls. Alright, made it to the little turnaround point for all the snowmobiles and ATVs and stuff. Kind of opened up here to the edge. Make our way to the falls. There's a nice shot of the creek. Way down there. Keep on, stop pulling. Bird Ridge. Continuing that way. Back towards where I live. Yeah, let's keep going. Usually you'd be able to see a lot of mountains and stuff over there. It's the Turning Arm. Here's the beginning of Bird Ridge. Let's walk over to this branch and see our fallen log. Yeah, see, this is part of the falls. Pretty certain. Bit of a slide. I don't know. We'll keep going. I would have thought we'd hear some more of the falls, but I can see some frozen stuff right here. They're everywhere, really, right? It looks powdery, but like something has collected on top of some ice. I don't know. We'll see. The trail keeps going, so. Well, I checked all trails. It is not this piece going down. We didn't cross any water right there. So that wasn't it. Yukon, you're trying to wrap me up, bud? So we're going to continue on. It's just a little bit further. Keep following the trail. Here we go. Now we're going down. That's more like it. Get closer to the creek where the falls should be. Don't pull me too fast, Yukon. Alright, here we go. Starting to hear the water rush a little bit more. There's a slick, icy spot. Come on, Yukon. I'm gonna put the camera away for now. Oh, we got a good one for you guys. She's right up there. Alright, we're gonna make our way. I think we made it down the deadly spot. Look at this. Yukon, come this way. Look at that. That is a giant wall of ice. There's some more. Looks like you can kind of walk over to it. What do you think, Yukon? Let's try to get down there a little closer. Oh, I don't know. I'm sinking pretty good here. Oh. What do you think of this, Yukon? This is pretty cool. That water is deep right there. 5 feet, 6 feet down. Wow. Well worth it. Alright. I think we've pretty much seen what we came for. Beautiful area. Short, sweet, and to the point. Just the way everybody likes them. Oh, wow. Alright, Yukon. Yukon, wait! You're too fast. Wait for me! Yukon. Yukon. We'll come over here and check this out before we go. The last little bit here. So this is definitely a set of falls. It's just not quite as frozen. Continues over to that one. Hopefully y'all can see everything. The lens isn't too blurry. There's where the creek comes down and through. See if I fall in here or not. Crystal clear. You can get in the water, Yukon? Too cool. You can get in the water? Go for it. Go for it. Get in there. Go on. You can go. No. Where are you going? Where are you going? There's the other waterfall right there, I guess. a couple of sets. Huh. That's the most impressive one. Alright, I think we're going to start heading back. Cool. We'll come back here some other time. This way, Yukon. Back up. Pretty cool. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this one. Bird Creek Falls. Pretty impressive. Like I said, it's the first time I've done this one. Didn't really know what to expect. But I thought this was pretty good overall. This little waterfall continuation. Alright, we'll see you next time.